Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you are welcome. On this channel, I share simple homemade hair care recipe that you can make with ingredients you may already have at home. My goal is to help you take better care of your hair in a simple and affordable way. Now let me ask you a question. Are you tired of seeing too much hair on your comb? Does your hair break easily? Are your edges becoming thinner? Have you been looking for a simple homemade hair spray to help keep your hair healthy? If your answer is yes, then stay with me because today's recipe is one you don't want to miss. Today I will show you how to make a powerful hair growth spray using 4 natural ingredients. I will also explain why people use these ingredients, how to prepare the spray, how to use it, and what you may notice after using it regularly. Let's get started. Before we make the spray, let's talk about why hair sometimes refuses to grow. Many people think their hair have stopped growing, but in many cases, the hair isn't growing. The problem is that it keeps breaking before you notice the length. Hair can break because of dryness, too much heat, tight hairstyles, rough combing, or not taking good care of the scalp. A healthy scalp gives your hair a better place to grow. That is why taking care of both your hair and your scalp is very important. If you enjoy natural hair care videos like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Now let's look at our ingredients. Our first ingredient is cloves. Cloves are small, but they are packed with natural goodness that help keep your scalp healthy. Many people love using cloves because they help improve blood flow to the scalp when using hair care. Good blood flow helps bring oxygen and nutrients to your hair roots. Cloves also help keeps the scalp clean. If your scalp is clean and healthy, your hair have a better chance of growing well. Another thing people like about cloves is that they can help reduce dryness and make the hair look shinier. If your hair feels dull, dry, or weak, clove may help improve the way it looks and feels when used regularly. Have you ever tried clove on your hair before? Let me know in the comments. Our second ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek is one of the most popular natural ingredients used in homemade hair care. It is rich in protein, iron, and other nutrients that help support healthy hair. Many people use fenugreek because it helps reduce hair breakage. If your hair breaks every time you comb it, fenugreek helps make it stronger over time. Another great thing about fenugreek is that it helps keep the hair soft. Soft hair is easier to comb and is less likely to break. Many people also say fenugreek helps reduce hair shedding. That means less hair falling out while washing or brushing. If you have ever used fenugreek, tell us about your experience. The next ingredient is star anise. Star anise have a lovely natural smell. Many people use it because it helps keep the scalp fresh and clean. It also contains natural plant nutrients that help take care of the scalp. When your scalp is healthy, your hair can grow in a better condition. Star anise also gives the spray a pleasant smell, making it even nicer to use. Our last ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil is known well for helping dry hair. It helps keep moisture inside the hair so it does not become dry too quickly. Dry hair breaks easily. Hair that stays soft and moisturized is less likely to break. Olive oil also adds shine and it leaves the hair feeling smooth and soft. Now let's prepare our spray. You will need 1 tablespoon of clove, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, 3 pieces of star anise, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the clove, fenugreek and star anise to a pot. Pour in the water. Boil for 20 minutes on low heat. After that, turn off the heat and allow it to cook completely. Strain the liquid into a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil mixed well. Pour everything into a clean spray bottle. Hair spray is now ready. Shake the bottle before every use because the olive oil and water will separate. Pat your hair into small sections. Spray directly onto your scalp. Pay special attention to your edges and any areas where your hair is thin. Massage your scalp gently for about 5 minutes. You can also spray a little on the length of your hair. Use this spray 3 to 4 times every week. If you use this spray regularly and take good care of your hair, you will notice less hair breakage, softer hair, a healthier scalp, hair that looks fuller, better hair growth over time. Remember, this spray is not magic. Hair grows at different speeds for different people. The key is to be patient and use it regularly. Don't expect your hair to grow overnight. Don't keep using this spray for weeks and expect quick results. Don't use very hot water when washing your hair all the time. Don't comb your hair roughly. Don't wear very tight hairstyle every day. Don't forget to eat healthy food and drink enough water because healthy hair also starts from inside your body. And that is it for today's video. Now you know how to make this simple homemade hair growth spray using clove, fenugreek, star anise and olive oil. The best part is that these ingredients are easy to find and simple to use. If you decide to make this spray, I would love to hear how it works for you. Leave a comment below and tell me which ingredient you are most excited to try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who loves natural hair care. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.